Hello, this is Kaden Gonzales, and this is my presentation over Microsoft OneDrive for Business. So, Microsoft OneDrive for Business is a platform that is very similar to Google Drive and Dropbox, and these platforms are extremely essential for every company in today's world because these are platforms that allow businesses to organize and to store and to share conveniently and effectively. So if you were to sum up OneDrive for Business in one sentence, I would probably sum it up as a multifunctional online platform that gives businesses the tools to perform more efficiently. And we'll get into those tools here in a little bit, but the main difference between actually the Microsoft OneDrive for Business and just a regular Microsoft OneDrive is the amount of storage that you receive when you purchase the OneDrive for Business. It actually gives you 1 terabyte of storage, which is a lot. When you purchase OneDrive for Business, it comes with many advantages, and one is definitely its mobility. You can use this platform on your phone when you just download the app. You can use it on your tablet. You could use it on your desktop computer. You could use it on your laptop. Really just you can access it pretty much through any platform that allows you to get on the internet. And so when you purchase OneDrive for Business, it also gives you 1 terabyte of storage. 1 terabyte is a lot of storage, and if you ever needed to purchase more, it gives you the ability to purchase more. And for security, when you purchase OneDrive for Business, it gives you an elevated level of security versus just regular OneDrive. So that is a great feature to receive whenever you want. It's one thing you really want all of your business info to be very secure and not able to be hacked or taken away in some criminal way. And so it also gives you an easy way to collaborate with others. We'll get into it a little bit more later and whenever I give you the visual, but it's so easy to just send a file over to a coworker and you all can just share and update the file and work on it as you need. And so for anywhere access, this goes as far as its offline features. So if you're ever offline and you're working on a file, it does a great job of making sure that you don't lose any hard work that you did while you were offline and not connected to the internet. Again, OneDrive for Business it's a platform that just about every single business needs. It doesn't matter if you are just a one-man army or a very small business or a large corporation. It is something that you need. You need to have the ability to store. You need to have the ability to organize and to share. And in today's day and age, with everything being done through technology, you just have to have convenience to be able to perform efficiently. So we're just going to run through a quick little tutorial over Microsoft OneDrive. And what you're looking at on your screen right now is actually not OneDrive for Business. This is just OneDrive. And like I said earlier in the video, there's not much difference between OneDrive and OneDrive for Business. It really just comes down to storage. And with that being said, we're just going to go to Files real quick. And you see a lot of clutter. I used this profile as a for an internship a while back. That's why I'm a little familiar with the platform. And so let's say, for instance, real quick, that you are a photographer and you have a photography business. If you wanted it to use this way, it's not the cleanest, but you could easily just make a file. You just click Add, and then you can create a folder, and then that's easy as that. You click Create after you type in the folder name. And so let's go look at one of these folders. So I got Brandon E here at the top. And so this is just a whole bunch of photos of a coach, Brandon E. And so say that's one of your clients, you could just store every one just like this. It's very adaptable. program, I mean, you could really do it in just about any way that you prefer. So let's say, for instance, you are any type of business from here on out, or any type of business, and you want to use it in these two different ways. So we're going to go to clients first. So you can use it as 2020 clients, and say you could store it as clients that purchase from $0 to $99 or 100 plus, and then you store information such as their emails, their purchase history, how long they were looking at the website, and all kinds of deals. And then you could also go to 2021, and you could just have it as a Excel file that is being shared amongst the rest of the employees in the company. And it makes it super easy. You just look at it through Excel. And so we can also go to projects. So again, you're any type of business, you can do this in any kind. Analytics, so we'll go to analytics. So this right here, you can use, say for instance, in this situation, you have a brainstorming Word document, and you have a collected data Excel sheet and a final result PowerPoint. You could just have it all stored and shared amongst the employees that are involved in this analytics project. And for the finance project, we got a little example here. So we got John C. Riley's work, Mark Wahlberg's work, and Will Ferrell's work. It's very easy. You can really, like I said, you can make it any way you want, and so this makes it a little bit easier to where you can see and just really look at and monitor, I guess, if you wanted to, your employees' work and their progress, if you wanted to do it in this format. And so we got a marketing project here, and then so really you could just store your advertisements right here, your finished product advertisements, and or you could just keep the raw photos in here. It's it's really just however you choose to use this website, and it's very easy to use. It is very user friendly. So our final take home points today is that OneDrive for Business is a fully customizable and essential online tool for all companies. It is a platform that will give a business the ability to run as effective as possible.